so here we are, Matt. We got this is the situation. We have galvanized steel that's developed a break in the line, and so it looks like what we're gonna have to do is cut the pipe here and unscrew each end out. I would put PEX there, replace it, because that's what I always do when it comes to galvanized steel. I replace with PEX. That's the best move because the thread. I'm gonna cut right about here, just enough to get a shark bite to make the transition. We'll have to clean that really good. Alright, here we go. Start cutting this. Basically, I just want to get this off the copper pipe system. Cut it here. All right. Whew, look at that pipe there. Wow. Well, that was every bit of full in there, wasn't it? You can even see in there, it was like, you can't really probably see in the video that well. Let me see if I can. Wow, that pipe was full too, barely anything. I don't know if you can really see it with the camera. Yeah, the galvanized steel was really filling up too. Yeah. All right, now we need to crank this out, clean that up. That'll be next. All right, so we tried to crank the pipe out, and here's what happened. It cracked. It's in such bad shape that it's getting so thin, and when I cranked it, it just cracked straight over. So now we're gonna have to extract it. So as you can see, this is what's left of it. I've started to tap it in a little bit to see if I could loosen it and turn it. It still was tight. So we're gonna go ahead and try to use my Sawzall with the small blade here and try to slice it inside. And can't really film this and hold it at the same time, so we're just gonna do it and then I'll show you the steps. All right, after numerous cuts and tapping, I think we can get it out of there. There it goes, there it goes. Starting to loosen. Just take my wrench and we'll be able to collapse it right out of there. Look at that, boom. Got it out. Oh, I forgot to show the nipple, how I bent it out and got it out of there by tapping it out. Once I started slicing it, tapping it, slicing it, it finally gave way, and then I put the PEX adapter in with PTFE blue monster tape and blue monster sealant. So that's all right. So now we're getting the copper end prepared. Alrighty. Let's see if I can. Alrighty, here we are. We got the copper all shined up, ready to go. We're gonna do our shark bite transition. Pop him on in. There we go. It's in there. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and build the PEX up. Let's go. Got our PEX here. Copper rings. We only gotta make a couple connections. One. Alright, so we got the PEX onto the bar. We got the copper ring on. Go ahead. Alright, let's get that lined up. Alright, so there it is. That's the replacement of the old leaking pipe with PEX. Just ran it right up. As you can see, that worked out perfectly. No leaks at all. It looks good. It's all holding up really good. No problems. And there it is. Replace that old stuff down there.